Alright guys, so yeah, welcome once again to Chords Music. And today I'm gonna give you some basic bass lines or some basic tutorial that can help you to play praises. You know, we have this style of playing that is without the bass on the left. It's just something we used to call backing, like this, right? Like in my previous video, what I made for you, right? But also, if you want to play the bass on your left hand, the basic bass line or the basic way that can help you, yes, that is what I'm gonna give you today. So today we just gonna learn the bass line or how to play bass line as a beginner. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So before I get into that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just click on the subscribe button. Make sure you comment and you like it. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me again use this song. Hina, hina, hina. We're on the key of F, right? Yes. So as a beginner, these are the chords that sometimes you use. These are the basic chords. Chord 1, 4, and 5. Right? Yes. So we're gonna use those chords. So this is a progression first for the song. So it's like hinna, 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 right? So it's like 1, 4, then 5, then back to 1. So now what I want you to pay attention at is the coordination, you know, the movement of the left hand and the right hand, right? You know, in my previous video that I made just recently, it was without the bass line, so it was like this. You know, this has different hand coordination, right? And if you want to add the bass, it's also different but a little bit similar. So hinna, hinna, that one goes 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Hinna, 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 right? Or hinna, you can add a chord too. Hinna, 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 right? So let's use that one. Let's add the chord 2 as our progression for this song, and then we will focus on the left hand. So hinna, 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 hinna. Now the basic bass line that could help you, that can help a beginner, is this. When you are on 1, you move 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, right? So it's like hinna, right? So if you're on 1, that's how you move it. So do, so do, so 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, right? And also, if you move to 4, chord 4, you can play like this. Then 5. Right? So you can do that every time. So on 1, we are going to 4. So 4, you play the 3 before you go to the 4, right? So right? And when you are are about to go to 5, or when you're about to move to your 2, you just play on the left 6 or D before you move to the 2, then back to the 6, then go to the 5, right? Then so you can remain on this 5, or you can move to this 5, right? So it's like so as a beginner, this is how you have to play. Learn this, it will help you very much. It also sounds more, you know, nicer. Yeah, so like right? You get it? So after you master this, then you try to find some different way of playing, some different way of like different ways to add more, you know, more things to your bass line, you know. So let's continue. So Jesus, you see what I was saying. So if you move to 5, you can play. If you move to 4, if you move to 5, or if you move to 1, yeah, it's the same thing. So Jesus, you remember? Oh no. Jesus. So sorry, let's take Jesus again. Jesus. Jesus again. Jesus. You get it. So try to just make it simple, very simple. So play this, and then it will help you very much. Okay, so let me play a loop so that I can play so that you know how it goes. So 1, 2, right? So pay attention. You can play this video over and over again. Pay attention slowly, and try to capture. Thank you very much. So see you in the next video. Bye.